Springtime is the perfect excuse to give your home a spring reset. The spring season should bring you lots of joy, and when it comes to giving your home a reset for the season, in this video I will share 3 easy ways to tidy up your home and have seasonal reset. Let's dive in. I always make myself a glass of fruit juice or tea in the morning, especially when I have a busy workday ahead, to give myself an energy boost. I'm absolutely in love with this cocktail shaker and muddler. Just toss in any fruit you have on hand. Muddle it to release all the juicy goodness. Then add your favorite juice, a touch of honey or syrup. It tastes absolutely delicious. Step 1. Start with spring cleaning. Cleaning windows is my #1 task during spring cleaning. Over the long winter, windows collect dust, dirt, and smudges that can block sunlight. Cleaning them allows more natural light to flow into your home, making the space feel brighter and more inviting. The second spring cleaning essential is to clean the linen like mattress, couch, and blankets. One useful tool is this rechargeable fabric shaver. Durable stainless steel blades. A spare blades come along with the package. LCD digital display with 3-speed setting. Generous garbage bin. It works on a variety of fabrics, including clothes, coats, sweaters, couches, blankets, curtains, and even socks. If you have a pet, a lint remover is a must-have to keep your clothes spotless. Once cleaning is done, simply remove the garbage bin and dispose of the lint. Use the included small brush for a thorough clean. Type-C charging is convenient. No need to worry about changing batteries, as it comes with a Type-C charging cable. Spring cleaning is all about refreshing your home and creating a clean, organized environment. Cleaning the fridge as part of this ritual ensures that even the appliances are ready for the new season and that you're starting fresh with a clean slate. Helps maintain food safety, reduce odors, improve efficiency. Next up, floor cleaning. If you haven't had time to clean your floors regularly, it's definitely something to add to your spring cleaning list. After a long winter, floors can become gritty or stained from salt, dirt, and moisture brought in from outside. Spring cleaning gives your floors a fresh start, making them look and feel much cleaner. Bathroom cleaning is a crucial part of spring cleaning. I know many of you clean your bathroom daily, which is fantastic. Regular deep cleaning is essential for removing germs, bacteria, and fungi, creating a healthier environment in your home. The toilet should be brushed and cleaned every day. I've been using Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for years, and I truly believe it's superior to other products. It effectively removes tough, hard water stains, rust stains, and mineral deposits. The angled bottle makes it easy to reach tough spots. Plus, it leaves a refreshing, clean scent. Once the toilet is cleaned, you can use toilet bowl cleaners or fresheners to maintain cleanliness and keep it smelling fresh. Step 2. Get organized. Once the cleaning is done, it's time to focus on organization. Decluttering is key before you start organizing. Take a fresh look at your home and part ways with items that no longer bring you joy. Begin by sorting through things you don't need, like in your wardrobe, pantry, cabinets, drawers, and all other storage spaces. Introduce a few organizational tools to help maintain a tidy home. It's time to get organized with toilet paper rolls. I was tired of seeing them scattered around my bathroom, so I found this foldable toilet paper storage basket. It's foldable, so when not in use, it can be easily stored away. Super easy to set up. Made of waterproof material, which is perfect for the bathroom. Smart design with hidden handles on both sides for easy transport. Non-slip bottom brackets, large capacity. It can hold 9 to 12 rolls, depending on the size of the toilet paper. Now, the toilet paper rolls are neatly stored in one place with a cover, making the bathroom feel much more organized. I used to struggle with keeping my hair care tools organized. But that all changed when I discovered this hair dryer holder. It's been a total game changer. It keeps all your hair care tools separated and neatly organized. 3 storage spaces allow your tools to cool safely. It offers 2 ways to use it. You can either place it on the counter or install it on a wall or cabinet door. I'm a big fan of under-sink organizers for both my bathroom and kitchen. The pull-out drawers make it easy to access items inside. The metal frame is sturdy and durable, while the sliding bins move smoothly. This organizer is perfect for maximizing bathroom space, especially in smaller bathrooms. It fits neatly on one side, avoiding the drain pipe, and the drawers pull out easily, holding a good amount of weight. The cabinet is neat and organized now, making it easy to access everything I need. There's always room to improve your bathroom organization, and a better way to hang your bath towels and let them air dry properly. For example, these adorable suction cup hooks have been a lifesaver. These sleek modern hooks are perfect not just for showers, but also for kitchens or bedrooms. No tools required and no mess to clean up. Just press the suction cups firmly onto any smooth surface and watch the magic happen. When the seasons change, organizing footwear around the house can feel like an overwhelming task. Storing off-season shoes in shoe storage boxes makes this job much easier and more enjoyable. Flexible grid space with no assembly required. Nylon mesh dividers provide adjustable compartments, making it easy to store both small and large shoes. This shoebox revolutionizes traditional shoe storage, allowing you to store more shoes in a smaller space, saving valuable room. The transparent visual lid design protects against dust and odors, making it perfect for storing shoes in the wardrobe. Wardrobe organization. Begin by cleaning and storing away off-season clothes. Clothes storage bins are ideal for keeping everything tidy and organized. Be sure to measure your shelves before selecting the right-sized storage bins. Step 3. Do seasonal room refresh. Introducing new accent pieces is an excellent way to refresh your space without spending a lot of money. Once the cold, heavy winter is behind us, switching to sheer light-colored curtains is a perfect way to welcome spring. They allow natural sunlight to fill your space, creating a fresh and airy atmosphere. The light colors also complement the vibrant, blooming surroundings of the season, giving your home a refreshed and rejuvenated feel. Plus, sheer fabrics add a soft, breezy touch that perfectly matches the warmer, sunnier days of spring. A spring wreath adds a burst of fresh, vibrant color and floral elements to your space, instantly making it feel more seasonal. Adding spring-themed cushions to your space is a simple yet effective way to create a warm, seasonal vibe. The vibrant colors, floral patterns, or nature-inspired designs of spring cushions instantly bring a fresh and inviting feel to any room. They add pops of color and texture, making your space feel cozy, bright, and full of life. I'll include links to all the products in the description section of the video for you to check out. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this post helpful for your spring reset. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.